Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing how to invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over the long term, but it can also be intimidating and overwhelming for those who are new to it. But don't worry, we're here to help guide you through the process. Step 1. Do your research. The first step to investing in the stock market is to do your research. Before you start investing, it's important to understand what the stock market is, how it works, and the different types of investments that are available. You can read books, watch videos, and take courses to learn more about investing. Step 2. Set your investment goals. The next step is to set your investment goals. What do you want to achieve by investing in the stock market? Are you looking to build wealth over the long term, save for retirement, or achieve financial independence? Setting clear investment goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Step 3. Determine your risk tolerance. Investing in the stock market involves risk. Some investments are riskier than others, and it's important to determine your risk tolerance before you start investing. Are you comfortable with taking on more risk for the potential of higher returns? Or would you prefer to invest in less risky investments that may offer lower returns? Step 4. Choose your investments. Once you've done your research, set your investment goals, and determined your risk tolerance, it's time to choose your investments. There are many different types of investments available, including individual stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and bonds. Each investment has its own set of risks and potential rewards, so it's important to choose investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Investing in the stock market is a long-term game. Once you've made your investments, it's important to monitor your portfolio regularly and make adjustments as needed. This may involve rebalancing your portfolio, adding new investments, or selling underperforming investments. Conclusion. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth over the long term, but it's important to do your research, set clear investment goals, determine your risk tolerance, choose your investments carefully, and monitor your portfolio regularly. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk, but with patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset, it can be a rewarding experience. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.